High noon sizzles at 109 degrees. This family has been wandering the dust for 2 days without a drink. A stallion and his harem of fillies. In this heat, even the finches prefer to hitch a ride. At last, the promised land. They'll stay here as long as they can, but the stallion knows he can't let down his guard. In a drought, water holes are dangerous places. Newcomers. A gang of upstart young males. These are the guys the stallion was hoping to avoid. At the top of the pecking order, a powerful dark horse. He makes a run for the stallion's females. A bluff, but he's made it clear what he's after. The stallion's got no choice. In the code of the lawless West, a horse thief pays with his life. Each blow, 2,200 pounds of force. A kick to the face can fracture a jaw. A broken leg is certain death. The stallions earned the respect that only comes from defending what's yours. Finally, the tight-knit family can relax.